How much can a small YouTube channel with just 1,000 subscribers really make? Most people assume it's next to nothing, just pennies, but that assumption couldn't be more wrong. The truth is, with the right strategies, even a small channel can bring an impressive income. Today, I'll break down these strategies and show you how much I've made from my YouTube channel with just 1,000 subscribers. Trust me, I wasn't expecting the results I got, but this is as realistic as it gets. If you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to automate and run your YouTube channel, stay until the end of the video, because I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts who give actionable advice for free. Step 1. Understand the monetization potential. YouTube doesn't pay creators just for uploading videos. It pays them for the attention they bring and the way they monetize that attention. So if you've ever wondered how creators make money, it comes down to 3 main methods: ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Let's start with ads, because that's the income source everyone talks about. When you watch a YouTube video and see an ad pop up, the creator earns a cut of what the advertiser paid. But here's the catch. How much you earn depends on something called RPM, which is short for revenue per 1,000 views. RPM is influenced by your niche, where your viewers are watching from, and how many ads you include in your videos. For example, a lifestyle channel might make $2 to $5 per 1,000 views, while a finance channel can make $15 to $30 for the same amount of views. When I started my channel, I focused on the make money online niche, because it's a high RPM category. Advertisers in this space are willing to pay more because they're targeting viewers who are ready to invest in courses, tools, or services. This makes a huge difference, especially when you're a smaller channel working with limited traffic. But ads aren't the only way to make money. In fact, they're not even the most profitable for small channels. That's where affiliate marketing comes in. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. It's incredibly powerful because you don't need a huge audience to see results. Even with just a few hundred views, you can make money if your viewers trust your recommendations. Sponsorships are the third income stream, but they're a bit trickier when you're just starting out. Most brands are looking for channels with larger audiences. That said, if your content is focused on a profitable niche, you can sometimes land smaller deals early on. Companies might pay you to feature their product in a video or include a mention in your script. It's something to aim for as your channel grows. Now that we've covered how creators make money, let's talk about how to actually build a channel that can be monetized. Step 2. Build and monetize your channel. When I started, I didn't have any special equipment or experience. My first few videos were rough, and I barely got any views. But I stayed consistent, uploading videos regularly and learning from each one. Eventually, my channel reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, the requirements to join YouTube's partner program and start earning ad revenue. Consistency is key here. You can't predict which video will go viral or catch the algorithm's attention, so the goal is to keep showing up until something clicks. But consistency isn't just about uploading frequently. It's about making each video better than the last and finding ways to connect with your audience. Step 3. Create high-impact content. When it comes to content creation, there's no one-size-fits-all approach, but there are 3 main methods I've used and recommend for different reasons. The first option is to do everything yourself. This means researching video ideas manually, writing the script yourself, filming or finding footage, editing the video, and uploading it to YouTube. It's time-intensive, but it's a great way to learn the ropes and control every aspect of your content if that's what you're looking to do. The second option is to use AI tools to streamline the process. You can use ChatGPT to write scripts, 11 Labs to generate voiceovers, Leonardo AI to generate footage, and CapCut to edit your videos. You could also use all-in-one AI tools like InVideo, which lets you create professional-looking videos from a text prompt. The AI puts together the script, voiceover, footage, and music in the video based on your prompt, so you don't have to get bogged down in the nitty-gritty individual tasks. This is especially useful for high-volume faceless channels, where the focus is on the content rather than the person behind it. The third option is outsourcing. You can hire freelancers to handle tasks like video editing, thumbnail design, or even content research. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are great for finding affordable talent. Outsourcing allows you to focus on the parts of the process you enjoy while leaving the rest to experts. It's an investment, but it can save you time and help you scale faster. Once you have your content, the next step is optimizing it for YouTube's algorithm. This actually starts with choosing the right topics. Tools like vidIQ can help you identify trending keywords and popular video ideas in your niche. I used vidIQ to find questions my audience was asking, like how to make passive income on YouTube without showing your face. By creating videos that answered these questions, I attracted viewers who were actively searching for solutions. But great content isn't enough on its own. You also need to think about video structure. Longer videos, usually over 8 minutes, perform better because they allow for mid-roll ads, which increase ad revenue. Having said that, length isn't everything. Quality is important too. The video needs to hold viewers' attention from start to finish. This means starting with a strong hook, breaking the content into clear sections, and ending with a call to action that keeps viewers engaged with your channel. Engagement is another huge factor. YouTube prioritizes videos that spark interaction, so I made a point to ask questions in my videos and respond to comments. Building a community around your channel not only helps with the algorithm, but also creates a loyal audience that will keep coming back for more. Step 4. Leverage affiliate marketing. I partnered with platforms like PartnerStack and ShareASale, which connect creators with affiliate programs. I'd review tools that my audience would genuinely find useful, like 11 Labs, and include affiliate links in the video description. Every time someone clicked on a link and made a purchase, I earned a percentage of the sale, while they got access to a great tool. By now, you're probably wondering how all of this translates into actual income. Let me break it down. In December, my channel earned $445 from just YouTube ads. Considering the number of views I got, this was impressive. It just goes to show how important it is to choose a high RPM niche if you want to make ad revenue even as a small channel. On top of that, I made around $500 from affiliate marketing, bringing the total to nearly $1,000 for the month. And this is just the beginning. This channel hasn't made me a millionaire, but it's a realistic reminder of YouTube's money-making potential. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's that starting small doesn't mean you can't achieve impressive results. Whether you're just thinking about launching a channel or you've been stuck at a few hundred subscribers, the key is to stay consistent, create valuable content, and explore multiple income streams. It won't happen overnight, but if you stick with it, the rewards are well worth the effort. If you have any questions about how to grow your YouTube channel, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. What stage of your YouTube automation journey are you at? Which monetization strategies are you thinking of applying? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.